Hi, my name is Michael and welcome to the BrandsGateway Dropshipping service. Once you have signed up to one of our dropshipping packages, you will receive an invite link from Shopify where you just need to accept the email. Next, you will need to install the Shopify BrandsGateway app and just create a username and password. Here you will just need to validate the API, and this could take a few seconds, so please do not close down any windows. This is the first step of the initial import. On the currency field, you select which currency you wish to import. In this scenario, I will select US dollars. And then we have a pricing rounding rule where you can decide if the selling price should round up to the nearest 9, meaning that instead of $127, it will round up to $129 for a cleaner look, something that we suggest. Here's the data that you wish to have synced after the initial import. So if, for example, if you like to keep the product titles synced, you'll have that clicked in. If you wish to change it yourself after the first import, you keep this unclicked. And then you just agree to the terms and conditions and click on register. This is where you do the category mapping, where you map our categories with your Shopify categories. I took the liberty to already create some manual collections in advance, something I suggest you to do the same. On the left, you will see all the BrandsGateway categories that we have, divided up by the main category, gender category, and then all the subcategories. And these are the Shopify collections, manual collections that I created. So in this case, I will do accessories. Here you can either choose to import all the accessories that we have on BrandsGateway, or if you wish to only import the men accessories, you only map the accessory with the gender. And the same thing goes with women. If you only wish to have women products, then you only map this. And you can even go more specific if you wish to have certain subcategories only. So for example, belts only. And here you decide which markup you want. The minimum is 1.5, which is equal to 150%. But in this case, I will do 2. That's the most common markup our dropshippers do, anywhere between 1.9 and 2.5. So if a wholesale price is $100 US, the selling price will be $200. And then you can add as many mappings as you like. Let's do another accessory. Let's say if we want to import all the lady accessories, and you just map it here. And for clothing, you can either import all the clothing or only men clothing or only ladies clothing, and then you can choose the subcategories here as well. So in this case, let's do just dresses, and then you map it to clothing here. I will do one more. You can do shoes, men's sneakers into shoes. And here, like I said, you can change the markup as you like it. This can, of course, be changed after the initial import, something I will show you on the next videos. Once you have done all the mapping with all the categories that you wish to import, you just click on Start Import. There you go. And within the next 20 to 30 minutes, you will see that the products will start being imported into the Shopify store. And on the next video, I will show you how to tag all the products inside the Shopify collections. Thank you.